The Zimmermann FZ33 Compact added value in a new dimension. With this machine, Zimmermann presents the ultimate answer to challenging market requirements in the future. The FZ33 Compact, state-of-the-art machine performance combined with highest operating efficiency at a reasonable price. A generous work area provides enough space for the machining of a wide range of material. At the heart of the FZ33 Compact are the worldwide proven VH series milling heads with their powerful preloaded torque drives. The possible range of application and many machine components are shared with the successful sister model FZ33. The FZ33 Compact is your reliable partner for the machining of model and pattern materials, aluminum and steel. The ingenious machine design allows various choices for the place of installation, requiring a minimum of space. In most cases, the FZ33 Compact doesn't need a separate machine foundation. This saves cost, secures short setup times, and provides a variety of options for your shop floor layout. Whether in the aerospace, automotive, or tooling industry, the FZ33 Compact offers a wide performance range for the machining of small and mid-size components. Zimmermann sets a new standard in precision and surface quality, while maintaining high machine dynamics and shortest possible processing times. The rigidity of the machine foundation made of cast iron with an integrated machine table, the massive sidewalls as well as the warp-resistant portal secure a maximum of thermostability and vibration absorption. No matter if dry or wet machining is required, the available machine options, such as the work area cover with a convertible rooftop for crane access, the 50-fold tool changer, as well as the specially designed aspiration system, leave nothing to be desired. In times of rapid economic change in a dynamic market environment, the FZ33 Compact offers investment security and flexibility for your future.